Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are in Shuttle Road, actually that is BB Pukurpar, and we are working on a great project. We are working on cleaning this area as a part of the project of BD Clean and with the Barishal team of BD Clean, and it's really a great idea to clean the Barishal city as well as all of the districts of our country. Eventually, this BD Clean organization was established on 3rd June 2016, and that was established by Mr. Farid, and he is really a great personnel and he did a really great job. Basically, the main goal or ultimate goal of this organization is to raise awareness regarding cleanliness and to establish a clean Bangladesh. And the purpose of this BD Clean organization is to establish our country as one of the cleanest country in the world. And with the young people, young generation of this Barishal city, as well as all of the young people throughout all of the districts of Bangladesh are working on this project, and hopefully we will achieve our goal. Please support us and share the video if you really like this, and hopefully you may enjoy this video. Thank you all.